Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this 2009 Ford Taurus X SEL. The Taurus X was the last year before this vehicle became the Ford Flex. This particular one is in silver ice blue. Has the light graphite lower treatment. It is a front wheel drive, powered by a 3.5 liter Duratec 24 valve V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It does have the 17-inch aluminum wheels with the graphite pockets. It's on Continental Conti Touring tires. It does have the deep tint sunscreen windows, keyless remote entry. Let's go and take a look at the interior. Alright, so inside it's a medium light stone cloth interior. It does have power heated mirrors, windows and door locks. Also has an 8-way power driver seat. Vehicle is equipped with automatic headlamps and fog lamps. Also has adjustable pedals, leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, so pan through the interior. Steering wheel has cruise control, as well as audio controls and trip computer controls. The vehicle currently has 51,721 miles on it. It does have an AM/FM 6-disc in-dash CD player, dual zone electronic climate control. Generous amount of storage in the center armrest. Looking overhead, you have front map lights and dual storage. You have a convex mirror. Also inside, you have dash top storage as well. Alright, and this vehicle does have 3 rows of seats. Take a look at the middle row right now. It does have the twin bucket seats. They are adjustable and they can recline. Rear seat passengers have their own positional air vents, a 12-volt power point, and fold-down cup holders. Gaining access to the third row is very easy. Locating the lever on the side of the seat, just lift it up. It will lower down, and then pull the tether. Pulls the seat right up. The rear seats, seat 2 across. Integrated cup holders on both sides of the panels. And the third row seats also have their own map lights and reading lights, as well as the second row seat. Alright, taking a look at the luggage area. Even with the third row seat up, it is a nice and deep area. And there's actual storage underneath the seats as well. The seats are very easy to fold though. Here is the luggage area with the seats folded down. It's a nice flat load floor. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this 2009 Ford Taurus X SEL. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.